In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order history report for all the orders in Amazon 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account, especially if you have more than one. You'll know you're signed in when you see your account greeting at the top right. From there, hover over or click on Account and Lists, then choose your orders. This is your main dashboard for everything you've purchased. On the Your Orders page, you can scroll through your purchases and use the built-in filters to narrow things down. Filter by time period, like the last 30 days, the past 6 months, or the past year, and you can also filter by status to focus on items that are delivered, open, or otherwise categorized. Take a moment to review the options. They're designed to help you quickly locate the orders you care about. If you need a complete report of all orders, not just what's visible on this page, here's the key. In many regions, Amazon no longer offers a simple CSV download button directly from your orders. Instead, the most reliable way to get a full export is to request your data from Amazon's account settings. You're asking Amazon to compile your information and send it to you in a downloadable file. To do this, sign into Amazon and go to your account. Look for a section labeled Privacy and Data or Request My Data. The exact wording can vary slightly by region, so keep an eye out for anything that clearly refers to your data or privacy controls. Inside that section, select Order History as the category you want included. You can add other categories if needed, but Order History is the one that produces a complete record of your purchases. When you're ready, click Submit Request. After you submit, Amazon will process the request and email you when your file is ready. This can take anywhere from a short time to a bit longer, depending on your account activity. The message typically contains a link to download a zip file. That zip usually includes your purchase history in formats like CSV, JSON, or sometimes PDF. When the email arrives, download the file and open the zip to access your ordered data. If you work in spreadsheets, the CSV format is especially handy for sorting, filtering, and summarizing your spending over time. And that's it. You viewed your orders on Amazon and requested a full order history report the right way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get exactly the information you need.